If you're trying to install CapCut and it just won't open, keeps failing or gets blocked halfway through, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can solve the CapCut install problem on Windows. These steps are simple, beginner-friendly, and in many cases they can get CapCut installed in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is running the installer as an administrator. Sometimes CapCut needs extra permission from Windows before it can make changes on your system. To do this, find the CapCut installer file on your computer. Then right-click it. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. If Windows shows a permission prompt, click Yes to continue. This one step can often fix install issues caused by system restrictions, blocked permissions, or limited user access. If the installer starts properly after this, let it finish completely and check whether CapCut opens normally. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your antivirus software. In some cases, Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus program may mistakenly think the CapCut installer is unsafe and block it during installation. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus protection just long enough to run the install. If you are using Windows Defender, you can go into Windows Security and temporarily turn off real-time protection. If you use another antivirus app, open its settings and pause protection for a short time. Once it's turned off, try running the CapCut installer again. If the install completes successfully, remember to turn your antivirus protection back on right away. This is very important for keeping your device secure. Another useful fix is to close any background CapCut processes that may already be running. Sometimes an old installer task or a stuck CapCut processes can interfere with the new installation and cause it to freeze, crash, or refuse to launch. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. In the list of running processes, look for anything related to CapCut. If you see it, click on it and select End Task. After closing all CapCut-related processes, go back and launch the installer again. This can clear out any stuck files or sessions that were preventing a clean install. If the installer still refuses to work after that, restart your computer and try the same steps again. A fresh restart can clear memory issues, remove temporary conflicts, and stop hidden background processes that may not show up right away. After rebooting, right-click the installer, run it as administrator, and if needed, temporarily disable antivirus again while the setup finishes. So, to quickly recap, if you're facing a CapCut install problem, start by running the installer as administrator, then temporarily disable antivirus if it's blocking the setup, and finally close any background CapCut processes through Task Manager before trying again. One of these fixes usually solves the problem for most users. If this tutorial helped you fix the CapCut install issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.